Hello. In the previous example, in the previous video, we had seen this example. So now we'll do the similar case. We'll solve it through Simulink. Let us start opening the Simulink. So I have opened the Simulink and I have stored the file name as BDR example. So now that you can see here. Now what I'll do, I'll open the library. Sometimes it may take more time. So go to continuous and pick transfer function or pole 0 based on your need. In this case, we are in algebraic form, so I have to take transfer function. So when I take transfer function, so I need to look at the system model. So if you see here 1 by s plus 10, so it is 1 by s plus 10, so it is 1 0. Okay, now I'll take more than one. So this is, I can call g1. So I can call this g1. So now g2 is 1 by s plus 1. Or I can double click properties, whatever, s plus 1. I can call this as g2. Okay, now if I copy further, then I have g3. G3 is s square plus 1, so it is 1 0 1. So denominator is 1 4 4. If you can't see, you can just make it bigger by dragging g3. Then you have g4 as well, so you can just plug g4. So now g4 is 1 1 1 6, so it is 1 1. If there are any mistakes, it's okay. You should know how to represent, that's more important. So between input and g1 there is one summing block, so I will sum. There is other way of doing it, or you can also do it by going to library browser and finding out. Then this is minus plus minus plus minus. Then we also have a copy of this, I guess here. Let us check between g1 and g2. Yes, but this plus is on the other side. We can take care of this later. Okay, then we'll have another summing block somewhere after g2 and g3. So here between g3 g4 there is that connection, but there is a takeoff point that we'll discuss later. This is plus plus. Then after g4 there is output. So this is, you have to rotate it first by pressing Ctrl R, and then you can connect here. Then this is H1 and it is connected to this. I call this H1 connected to this. What are the values of H1? So H1 is 1 1 1 2. Okay, so now there's one more here. H2 and H3. So this is H2, this is H3, this is copied here, this has takeoff here. You have to always do this forward path, then you have to take the feedback. then it works fine. Okay, there's nothing wrong either this way or this way, that's okay. And then you can go with inputs, that is source. So which say, for example, if you want to check it for step as a source, then output oscilloscope, so I will just say scope. Okay, once I am done with all of this, I just have to run. I don't have to reduce here, so I just have to represent. That's the beauty of Simulink. And I am simulating it for just 10 seconds, which you can check here. So once I get the graph, I'll go to the click on this and do the analysis part. Thank you. If there are any errors, you can always rectify them and try to solve them. But this is how it should be done. Thank you.